Okay, in this portion of the review video, if you look at your review, 7, 8, 9 are very similar. I picked number 8. And then, although it's kind of the same idea, I'm gonna do 10, 11, and 12 because they're all fairly quick. All right, so 8 asks you to find the slope given 2 points. We have this first point, 2, 4, and negative 4, 4. So we would use the m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 formula, the formula for slope. This would be my x1, my y1, my x2, my y2. So m equals, let's see, y2, which is going to be 4, minus y1, which is also 4, over negative 4 minus 2, which equals 0 over negative 6. All right, careful with this. 0 over anything, well, 0 over any number except for 0 is 0. So if you see 0 on top, it's going to be 0. 0 on the bottom is undefined. Okay, 0 on the bottom is undefined. All right, so this is 0 on top, the slope is 0. It is a horizontal line, this first one. M equals 0, horizontal line. All right, to find the slope from an equation, you have to solve for y. So to solve this one for y, I'm gonna move this 5x over, so minus 5x. And then I get negative 2y equals negative 5x plus 10. Divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. So y equals 5/2 x. 10 divided by negative 2 is minus 5. Now, when we solve for y, the slope, this is in slope-intercept form, and the slope is going to be the number that's in front of the x, which is 5/2. So m equals 5/2. Pretty nice, right? This one's pretty neat, pretty interesting. So notice there is no y in this equation. So we can solve for x, but really, that's not going to tell us much about the slope. X equals 3. But what you have to remember, you have to refer to your notes, when there's no y and there's only an x in the equation, that means the slope is undefined and it's a vertical line. This would be a vertical line that crosses the x-axis at 3. That's the only way you could represent x always being equal to 3. And the slope is undefined, all right? If there is a y in the equation, no x, it's a horizontal line, the slope is 0. Just study over that. All right, and this one just says, number 12, it just says a horizontal line. And we know that a horizontal line is flat, it has no slope. So for number 12, we would just say m equals 0, no work required. All right, thank you. Next part coming up.